never said I give a shit about you. You never share your toys or communicate. I guess I'm just a player